Hey, property investors, if you are attending show flat events this weekend, then don't rush into any deal before watching this, because this could potentially save you $500,000 of losses. Take a look at Cascadian Reserve, that leasehold condo right on Orchard Road. You would think buying in a prime area like that would surely make money, right? But here's the thing, units there are now selling for around $2,900 per square foot, which is actually down from the initial launch pricing of over $3,300 per square foot. There's a loss of almost $500,000 for a 1,000 square feet unit. Totally bad news for the one who rushed in to buy a few years ago. So, what went wrong? Two main reasons. First, the developer is desperate to sell out to avoid those heavy ABSD taxes, so they have had to slash prices. And second, the average unit size is just too small for a typical family, making it less desirable. This shows that there are many more hidden factors that one must consider for every property investment deal, not just blindly get into the new launch hype. Speaking of winning factors, one of the major factors that make a huge difference is by buying a property below its intrinsic value. By uncovering the intrinsic value of properties, I was able to help grow my clients' property portfolios to the tune of 12 million, 15 million, and even 18 million over the last 2 decades. Hey, it's Roy here, and I've been in the real estate industry for the last 25 years, helping many of my clients accumulate high 6 to 7 figures of capital appreciation from their properties. I want to invite you to a free web class where I will reveal to you how to find underpriced properties that are mispriced from their intrinsic value for a predictable 6 to 7 figures capital gain in the next 3 to 5 years without overstretching your finances.